So here's a quick video to show how I made my DRL dimmer controller. It's just that simple circuit board there from Amazon, this thing, which takes 12 volts in and gives 5.02 volts out. That's controlled by that little screw there, and that goes through this relay. So in normal operation, the relay puts 12 volts through the DRLs, and then when I turn on the side lights, it switches the relay closed, and that gives the 5 volts through that circuit instead, thus dimming the DRLs, making sure they're road legal. Dead simple. This is what they look like. The whole lot has been encased in potting compound called Magic Gel or something from Toolstation. Just knock that up 50-50, pour it over the top of the whole lot of it. It encapsulates all your circuit board and makes it IP68, which means it will be able to withstand water if it gets on it. Hopefully the box will stop the water getting in there, but if any water does get in there, that blue gel should stop it ruining anything. And that's how I did it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe. See you next time.